All right, so these are the AirPods Max. I haven't opened these up. There you go, right there. It says AirPods Max on that side. Apple logo. Apple logo on the back. You see what looks like a sleeping mask, a purse, a bra. AirPods Max with smart case. There we go. Let's open this up. Shake it and shimmy it out. I already took the plastic part off. I didn't think you'd want to see that. So if you missed that, I'm very sorry. I did that in my bedroom. And all right. Yeah, this is, oh, these are heavy. Wow. These are very, very heavy. Crazy. Let me take all this paper stuff off. Man, what did they put in this? Wow. That's pretty crazy. I mean, I guess it's convenient to kind of make it into like a little purse. You could put pencils and stuff in there, huh? Nice. We get the designed in Apple, designed in California, I should say. Designed by Apple in California. AirPods Max is probably like just a guide on how to use these. I don't even know. Did you guys look at that stuff? Let me know in the comments down below. Wow, there's no stickers. I'm surprised. All right, whatever. No stickers there. And then other than that, you get a USB-C to lightning cable. And it doesn't look like, yeah, no brick, no power brick in there, so you're gonna have to use your own. Thanks, Apple. Headphones are only 550 bucks, so yeah, you don't need to throw in a power adapter in there. Why would you? All right, let's pop these out. Let's check out the case first. Very premium case. It's it's rubber on the outside and like a suede kind of feel on the inside. These have some good weight to them too. Ooh, nice. Magnetic closing. Very nice. Put those off to the side. I got the black ones, gunmetal, whatever color you want to say. I feel like that's gonna get scratched. I feel like I could scratch it real easily. That'd be one thing to see as time goes on if those get scratched or not. Oh, okay. Let's take these out. Man, they really, okay. There we go. Let's see if we have, yep, USB-C. Says L and R inside to let you know which way to put these on. There's the digital crown to control these. Digital crown. All right, so let me get these turned on and set up. I'm gonna set these up first to an Android phone. So they look like they're already on. So what I'm gonna do is, since I just popped those out and they're already on, I'm gonna grab my Android phone and they should be able to automatically see this. So I'm gonna go into Bluetooth and I'm going to see, let's see, AirPods Max, perfect. I'm gonna tap on that, pair, I'm gonna hit okay. Should be at the top now, connected for all calls and audio. Let's test these out. All right, so I've been using the AirPod Maxes basically for the whole second half of the day. 550 bucks is crazy amount of money for headphones. I guess there's headphones out there that you can buy. They're just as expensive, if not more expensive. I've just personally never seen them, especially at like Best Buy or Amazon for that matter. So we'll get to if I think they're worth it at the end. But let me talk to you about everything that I pretty much noticed. So first of all, comfort is really good. They have really nice big air cups, so they go right over your ears. It doesn't feel any pressure on my ears at all. Very, very, very comfortable. With a hat or without a hat, these, again, very comfortable. They don't feel like they're pushing down on my head at all. And I have a huge head. I have them maxed out though. So like I definitely have to have them completely maxed out in order to be comfortable on my head. My head, like I said, my head's pretty big. So if you had a head bigger than mine, it'd be like, I don't know, it might not be comfortable, but my head's huge. So you'll probably be fine. The controls, I love the controls on these. So simple. I just love them. So really it's just 2 buttons. It's the transparency mode button. You press it once, it goes to transparency mode. You press it again, it goes to active noise cancellation. And those modes are amazing, I think anyway. And maybe they're not as amazing as some of the other headphones out there, but from what I've heard, I haven't heard the Sony XM4s. Maybe those are a lot better. But the active noise cancellation I thought is very, very good. It really, really blocks out the outdoor noise. Indoors, outdoors, I don't really hear anything. Really, really impressed with that. Also the transparency mode, if you talk loud enough, it seems like the microphone obviously is gonna pick it up better as you talk louder. I was very impressed with that as well. So like the transparency mode and active noise cancellation is definitely, in my book, really, really good. I love the crown too, because it does everything. You can change tracks, you can raise the volume just by turning it, you can play, pause the music, you can activate your Siri, which I don't use. I've been having this, I have it connected to my iPad, my iPad Pro, but generally I've been using it with an Android phone. So if I say like, hey Google, which my things are gonna go off now, damn it. It does work with that. So it's cool that I can use that, even though it's a Google thing, I can still use my AirPods Max and still get function with my Google stuff. Now, overall sound in terms of like bass and clarity and mids and highs, if you told me these were $550, I wouldn't believe you. And I don't mean like, oh, I think they should be more expensive. I would probably think they're in the $200 to $300 range. I definitely wouldn't think they're $550. I wouldn't say the sound on these is that much different than like, at least just off initial test, than like the Bose QC35-2s, or like I've heard from other people online, like the Sony XM4s are sounding better than these. But from what I heard, just from every other headphone I have, again, I don't think they're worth $550 in that regard, the sound overall. Now, you can use these with a wire if you want, but you have to buy the lightning cable separately in order to do that. They are USB-C. The cable they come with, you can charge, but they don't give you a charging brick, so you'd have to either use one of your charging bricks or buy another one, which is so weird. It's like, these are so expensive. Why didn't they include something like that? I mean, I know why, but come on. Now, spatial audio, you can't do that, at least from what I saw with the Android phones, but you can do a little demo on the iPhone side, iPad side, and I'll show you that right now. You won't be able to hear it, but I'll show you anyway. This is a little screen recording, so if you go into Bluetooth and then AirPods Max, you can look at these and get a little bit more control and stuff. So you can, in here, without having to do it from the headphones themselves, you can turn on noise cancellation, transparency mode, or you can turn both of those off. You can, between cycles, you can see, do different things there. The digital crown, if you click on that, you can change it so if you turn it from back to front, it'll increase volume, or from front to back. So you have that option that they give you. I think that's pretty cool. Automatic head detection, automatically transfer the audio route from connected device to the AirPods Max when it is placed on your head. That's pretty cool that you can turn that on and off. Connect to the iPad automatically if you want, or when last connected to the iPad, so you have controls there. And then you also have spatial audio, so you can turn that on or off, and you can also click see and hear how it works. When you press that, it just gives you a little demo when you click on that, so you can hear how it sounds. I think that's pretty cool. Any updates or anything will happen automatically on the iPad or the iPhone. You can't force it on here, unfortunately, but it'll just, when there's an update, it'll pretty much automatically do it for you when it's connected. Another thing that's kind of weird about these, you can't really turn them off unless you put them in the case. And then it says, even when you put them in the case, they're on like a low power voltage thing. It's just kind of weird to me. You can't fold these up. You know, like a lot of headphones you can fold up and put away, but you can't do that with these. The only way you can kind of put these away is by putting them back in the case and putting them away that, and then you get your own little purse. And this is pretty heavy still. They're heavy. You're gonna get muscular for sure. Now, with all that said, again, I don't think they're worth 550 bucks, but they're really easy to use. I love the functionality and like the ease of use with these. That's an understated fact of headphones. Sometimes you have headphones with buttons all over the place. You're like, I don't know what that freaking button is. It's basically 2 buttons, very simple to use. The sound quality is really good. The transparency mode, I feel like, is really good. The active noise cancellation is really good. The comfort is really good. So like, I think these are really, really good headphones. I just don't think they're 550 bucks. They should have came out at 350 or less. Thanks for watching. If you have these, let me know what you think about them. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.